In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital store in Systeme.io. We'll start from your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to the Sites section, and from there, click on Creator Stores. This is where you can build a storefront specifically for digital offers, whether you're planning to sell downloads, courses, or even share free resources. Next, click Create to start a new store. You'll be asked to give your store an internal name. This is mainly for your own organization inside the platform, so choose something clear and easy to recognize. After that, choose the domain you want to use for the store. You can either connect a custom domain if you already have one, or simply use the free Systeme.io subdomain to get started faster. Then, set your store extension. This is the path that appears after your domain, such as /store or /links, so keep it short and relevant to your brand. You'll also need to select the default storefront language. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now it's time to personalize the top section of your store. Click Edit Header, then upload your profile image or logo. Use something clean and recognizable because this helps your store look more professional right away. After that, write a short bio that explains what you offer. Keep it concise, but make sure it clearly tells visitors what they can expect. You can also add direct links to your social profiles, such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, which is a great way to build trust and connect your audience across platforms. When you're done, click Save again. Next, go back to the store dashboard and click Edit Design. On the left side, you'll be able to browse through pre-built visual styles. Take a moment to preview the options and choose one that matches your brand or aesthetic. Once you find a theme you like, apply it. After that, click Add Product on your store dashboard. Depending on what you want to offer, you'll choose the appropriate product path. Then configure the product thumbnail by uploading a clean cover image, adding your product title, writing a short subtitle, and customizing the button text like Buy Now or Download Free. When that's ready, click Next. From there, select the product type and source. If it's a digital file, upload it directly. If it's an online course, choose the course from the drop-down. If needed, you can also use an external URL instead. Then set up checkout and pricing by customizing the payment page, confirming the fields you want to collect, and attaching a price plan. Make sure your payment methods are connected. Finally, build the thank you page by adding a confirmation headline and short message for buyers. Once everything is ready, click Publish and then click Publish again to make your product live on your storefront.